Hello everyone, this is Briz Mohan and today I'm excited to talk you about my new Android application Hisab, a daily expense tracker with ability of speech recognition technology, and it supports offline mode also. This application will help you to note your income, expenses and to calculate the total amount quickly. You can classify your income and expense entries by categories and payment methods. Also, this application provides ability for different reports and search functionality. Let's run Hisab application. In this application, you will see there are 4 tabs: Quick, Expense, Income and Reports. Quick tab, as name implies, for quick data entry. Here are 2 ways for input the data. One is via speech and other one is via manual entry. So for speech, first you have to select the language and click on mic button. Then it will start processing and do entry, and it will be displayed here. Currently I am not connected with the internet, and Hindi language is selected. And if I click on mic button, as there is no offline configuration, so it will show you the instruction to set up the offline configuration. And for Hindi language, we have to download the Hindi Bharat language in the settings. So let's do it. So in the settings, let's select language input. In language input, select Google voice typing. Here offline speech recognition. I have connected with my Wi-Fi so that we can download the language. Here you can see currently only English language is installed. To download the Hindi, go to the all, select Hindi Bharat, click on download. It will be download soon and it will be available soon. So let me pause this video. So here the download is completed. You can see Hindi language available. Now I am disconnecting my Wi-Fi and let's jump into the application again. Okay, so I select the Hindi language and start to speak. Say भुजिया 140, अचार 120, कचौड़ी 20 रुपए. You have seen that how we entered 3 entries via speech input. So you can do manual entry as well. So in the item, you can say aloo 20 rupees plus, it will be added. On the footer side, you can see 4 records displayed, total 300 amounts. So it will be very easy to calculate the total of amounts. And there are 2 buttons in the footer. One is add to expense and another one is add to income. If you click on button, then all entries will be jump into the expense or income tab respectively. So let me click on add to expense. Here you can see it will ask for the date. So date is 20th of June. Payment methods, here you can see there are different type of payment methods, whether it's cash, net banking, wallet, credit card, debit card and others. So let me select cash. And category, select food and click on OK. Memo field is optional. And so we have entered for 20th of June. Click on OK button. So all records move to expense tab. So let's jump into the expense tab. Here you can see for 20th of June, all 4 entries are there and total amount is displayed. And you can see it will show you the entries grouped by the date, which has date wise total amount as well. And similarly on left hand side, you can see there is one toggle button is there, payment. So if you change this payment, then in the first column you can see category will be displayed. If you click on again, then in first column you will get the payment method in the grid. On the right hand side, you can see month picker. If you click on that, you can pick the old month if you want. So click on OK. So there is one record on month, on June we have. If you want to add manual entry in the expense tab, you can do it. Here you have to give date, item, amount, payment, category and memo, all information. And similarly, if you want to edit the amount, like for aloo I have to reduce to 20 to 15, so I can edit it, and you can see the total amount is also updated. So this is for expense tab, and the income tab is also similar. Here you can see one add new button is there. We have to do manual entry, and you can edit entry, and it will show also the data group by date with the total amount. So income tabs and expense tabs both will have search option as well. So if you want to search, so here you can see there are multiple milk entries. So let me search with keyword milk, sorry, in English, search it. It will show all entries with the sum of amount, and the beauty of this search is that you can edit with the search result as well. So let me click on milk here, and I can edit the information. Okay, so that is related to the search functionality. And the last section is reports. In the reports, there are different reports available. You can select the report type on the left hand side button. Here you can see all the reports: daily, weekly, monthly, payment method, expense category, income category. So in daily report, it will show day wise report with expense column, income column, and how much saving for that day. Similarly, if you want to say weekly, then you will get weekly and date of the week and expense, incomes and savings. For monthly, because we have selected date range, so let me change to this one. Here different options are available for quick setting the date range. Let me select last 365 days. It automatically set the date, and click on OK. Then you can see the data. Similarly, for payment methods, I want to see like how much cash for this particular duration and how much debit card is used for the expense. So similarly, it will have all the informations. You want to see the report by category, so say expense category, so it will show which category has of how much amount with the percentage of the amount with regarding to the total of the selected date range. Similarly, for income category, we can select, it will show all the results. That's all for the 4 tabs. And in the settings, we can change the currency. Like currently it's for Indian rupee, we can change to the US dollar, and you will see all data in US dollar. And similarly, we can add, edit, delete for payment methods, expense categories and income categories. So I hope this will be very helpful and for tracking your income and expenses quickly and very easy way. Thank you all.